Apartment investors, stop scrolling. What if makakuha ka ng 4-unit townhouse apartment in one property? Bank foreclose, 4 units, townhouse inner lot, Barangay Bayan Luma, Imus, Cavite. Check out the numbers. 273 square meter lot area, 333 square meter floor area. 2 bedrooms bawat unit, 1 toilet and bath bawat unit, provision for 1 carport bawat unit. Selling price, 6,620,000. And here's the exciting part, may promo at discount pa. 20% down payment, 1,326,000. Pwede spot DP or payable up to 6 months. 80% in-house loan, 5,296,000. Up to 10 years loan term. Bakit worth it? Because this isn't just a typical house. 4 units ang makukuha mo in one property. Perfect to consider for those looking for a potential rental or investment property. Subject of course to your own assessment, renovation needs, and rental demand in the area. Imagine having multiple units under one property. One location, 4 potential spaces to generate income. Plus, no bidding basta walang kasabay. As is where is. Bank fees and transfer of title are not included. Habol na sa promo with discount. If you're interested, don't wait too long dahil limited ang availability. And if you want to see what the 4 units actually look like inside, watch out for part 2. I-reveal natin ang actual condition and details ng property. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now for inquiries. This is Jin Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!